Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at how to play Amazing Grace on a chromatic harmonica, except this time I'll be showing you how to play it an octave higher than what we did in the last tutorial. Here is a chromatic harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours isn't in the key of C, because it's the numbers that are important. For this lesson, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into the harmonica. But when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your harmonica. Sometimes you might need to press this button on the right-hand side of your chromatic harmonica, but don't worry, I'll tell you when to do it. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 7, blow into 8, blow into 9, blow into 8, and blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 9, blow into 8, breathe in through 7, and blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 7, blow into 8, blow into 9, blow into 8, blow into 9, breathe in through 9, and blow into 10. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 9, blow into 10, blow into 9, blow into 10, blow into 9, and blow into 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, blow into 7, breathe in through 7, blow into 8 twice, breathe in through 7, and blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 7, blow into 8, blow into 9, blow into 8, blow into 9, breathe in through 9, and blow into 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the sort of person who prefers learning the harmonic using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.